Hi, how's it going?
Hi,
Oh,
I'm
what-
good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Would you mind donating to help people in need?
Yes, I want to donate $1 million.
All right, thank you. Sophie.
Yes. No, this is me, the Sophie.
Fuck that. If you're a 15-year-old kid with no money, listen up. You can build an online income stream that could pay you month after month. POV, you're ahead of the trend. Cash Pages makes it possible with 0 products, 0 camera time, and 0 upfront money. All you do is plug it in and let it work. Comment for the full playbook before this gets crowded.